I'm in Lakeview this week sampling a little dessert now. I'm at the legendary Bittersweet, 1114 West Belmont. Bittersweet's been here since 1992, which is quite an accomplishment considering all the new pastry shops and bakeries that have opened up in Chicago the last 5 or 6 years. One of the things that has never changed, they've always had here on the menu, is the rustic apple bistro tart. This is just beautiful. Comes with a little bit of caramel sauce. Normally there's a little bit of whipped cream on top, and this would be served for $3.75. I'm opting to go no whipped cream and get a little side of vanilla ice cream for $1.50 extra. So still, for about $5, it is just a great deal. Now look at this. Beautiful crust. Obviously, Judy Contino, the owner here, used to work at Umbria, so she knows her French pastry. And just incredibly soft, luscious apples inside, dusted with cinnamon and sugar. And of course, that little hint of caramel sauce makes it all come together so nicely. Honestly, if you're ever running down Belmont and you need a fix for apples and caramel and pastry, got to come into Bittersweet and get the rustic apple bistro tart. It is something you should eat.